Hi Tarot Tribe, it's that time again. We have a new unboxing video for you today. This is the Spirit Cats Oracle deck by Nicole Pierre. I hope I'm saying your name right, Nicole. Oh my gosh. So this came in a lovely little box with these two little spirit cats, which are going to go in on my wall of fame. And it says, "Dear Anthony, I hope the spirit cats bring you magic and inspiration. Love, Nicole." So it's one of the little kitties. And then another little kitty. And then I got this gorgeous little coin. Little kitty. Oh, that one's upside down. A little kitty coin. Isn't that sweet? I'm going to put that in the video. And then we've got the deck in here. So I'm going to swap cameras now. I'm going to go through the deck and I'll show you the box and everything you get with it. So let's head on over and check out the kitties in the Oracle deck. Okay, Poppets, now we're going to go through this beautiful deck, the Spirit Cats Oracle. Look at the cute little things that I got in there. Going on the wall of fame, where all my little bits and bobs go. So this is by Nicole Pierre. Dear Anthony, I hope the Spirit Cats bring you magic and inspiration. Love, Nicole. So cute. And look at this little token talisman, little kitty one. Meow meow, kitty on a moon. Very witchy. Super cute. Oh. It's like Christmas. Very well wrapped. Okay, so this is a little square deck. So it's a 48 card deck. Okay, so that's the back. 48 inspirational cards to ignite your intuition, written and illustrated by Nicole Pierre. It's a nice hardcover little box. I do this behind the camera now because I kept on knocking the tripod. Close your eyes, soften your body and draw a card. Listen to the magical whisperings of your intuition. Little cat talisman again. So this doesn't come with a guidebook. The meanings or the messages for each one of them is already on the back. Sorry folks, I just had to cut that. Is already on the back. So there's nothing else that you need with this deck but the actual deck. So let's go through. Actually, I'm going to do it the other way around. Trust. And all the kitties have names. So this is Safi. No, Safi's so cute. Bliss is Camilla. Yeah, she looks like she's pretty blissful. So the cardstock is, I'd say, 350 GSM. They are not gilded. They are matte laminate finish, that really beautiful, soft, milky matte laminate. And they're square, so it's a nice, unique little deck. Majesty, and of course Majesty is Majesty. Patience, this is Snug Puff. Oh, Snug Puff. Peace, Serena. Purification, this is Calico. Tending the Garden, Gala. And as you can see, like sometimes you get little questions like what seeds can you nurture in your heart? What garden are you trying to grow? I love the little cute borders, and like the font and everything's lovely, but I like how this is borderless. Vision is stargazer. Oh, she's pretty. You have galaxies for eyes. Curiosity is blaze. No, cute kitty. Just want to mush my face in all the little cats. Be sneezing a lot. Connection, the spirit cats. Ooh, lots of spirit cats. Because I am very allergic to cats. I've had them before, and it was a very painful experience to have them get used to them, but I'm not used to them anymore. Courage is Alice. Expression is Shanti. Unconditional love is Akiko. I know an Akiko. She's very loving. Generosity is Sapphire. I really want to squish these kitties' faces, they're so cute. Gratitude is Grace. Guardian is Lavendril. Synchronicity is Lexi. I also know Alexi. Magic Maker is Lynx. Nature is Leaf. Relaxation is Molly like a cloud. Aww, so cute. Molly is like a cloud. Road less traveled is Silvio Silvermore. Courageous adventurer. Passion is Ember. Resilience is Golden. Threshold is Sage. Oh, so cute. Follow me. Cozy Home is Shrine. Play is Pippa of the Dream Circus. Wild is Samson. Looks like Ron Swanson cat. Balance is Varro Tiptoe Sky. Tightrope walking. I love these names. Night Magic is Vespertine No Sleep for the Wild. It's my spirit cat because I don't sleep. Quite like that spirit cat. Has all the colours that I like. Mystery Esmeralda. Paradox is Stardust. Freedom is Lucy. Yahoo! Go Lucy. Meditation is Chutney. Illumination is Glow. focus is Artemis. Oh, pretty kitty. Soulmates is Moon and Mirror. Oh, I like those names. If I had 2 cats, that's great names for kitties. Unique is Helix. Seeker is Spiral. Warrior is Mishkin Rough and Tumble. Flow is Zephyr. Vulnerability is Shadow. Oh, I want to give that kitty a hug. Solitude is Lily. Mischief is Jasper. Catalyst is Luna. Cuddles is Fluff. Oh, fluff ball. Imagination is Zed. Adventure is Lime Mule. And intuition is Ghost Kitten. Okay, so how do you shuffle a square deck, you ask? Like this. So I just hold it in my hands and anchor the back and shuffle this way. I'm sure I can actually riffle shuffle them too. I'm gonna pick a kitty, any kitty, and then I'm gonna read the whole back so you get an idea. Of what information you get. Oh, look at that. We got the spirit cat, ghost kitten, intuition. Meet Ghost Kitten. She is the light within us that helps to guide us through our life. She is always beckoning us to enter our inner world, to dig deep and meet her there. If you are quiet, you can hear her whispering to you, perhaps about a creative project or a person you should reach out to, or even leaving a stifling job. Play with what makes her whispers louder and clearer for you. Maybe it's meditation or sleeping enough or taking a shower. Experiment with following your intuition and notice what magic unfolds. So these are beautiful little cards. I will put a link to where you can get your own inspirational card deck or oracle deck, these spirit cats. And this is another indie deck, so I love, as you all know, supporting indie artists. And as always, thank you so much for watching.